guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am a crochet designer and artist, and knit artist, and I learned how to knit a couple months ago. If you are not new to my channel, you already know that. And I have been loving knitting, like, oh my gosh, it is literally my love, okay? I'm just in awe at the creations that I have made, and just the way knitting is, it's so appalling to me that things can be made using 2 sticks and a cord. You know, I don't know, it's just weird to me. But anyway, today is about me knitting socks. I started knitting socks about over a month ago, and I have not finished them. No, I did not get second sock syndrome. I did finish one whole sock. If you guys watch my past sock videos, you have been seeing this sock for a while now, and I just finished this whole sock. But I have not finished the second sock, and like I said, it's not because of second sock syndrome or anything. I really enjoyed starting my second sock. Like, oh my gosh, I love it. I love knitting socks. Sweaters and socks, those are my 2 loves. This is how far I am on my second sock, so I really don't have that much left. I just have this amount to go, which is really, really good, but I haven't been knitting on them because I've had so many projects in between that were a priority, and so I couldn't knit on the socks as often as I wanted to, so now I am. I pushed everything aside and I was like, I want to finish these socks, mainly because I want to cast on some fall socks with this yarn that I was gifted. Oh my gosh, it's so lovely. But if you do not know the yarn or yarns that I'm using these 3 colors right here. This is the body color, so the body of the sock. This is for the heel of the sock. And then this one is for the cuff and the toe of the sock. And I got this in Vegas. It's hand-dyed yarn, 75-25, so 75% merino wool, 25% nylon. I am mixing the colors because they went together. They're like a set, and I love that so much, and I thought it would look so cute, which it does. But now I'm ready to finish this sock and start on another one that does not change colors. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video, just chill, knit some socks, and you guys should knit some socks with me as well, and then show me your socks in my Discord, which you can join down below. The link is in the description box. And I will also show you guys how I block my socks, because I have sock blockers. I have not blocked socks before, so you know, we're gonna take this journey together for the first time together. Yeah, anyway, let's get to knitting. Live on YouTube showing them my socks.
I am at the toe part right now. I did a lot of this part, well, not a lot, but a good bit on my stream today, and then afterward I just went ham because it's the toe part I'm ready to be done. And now I just have to, I'm at a point where I just have to do the Kitchener stitch, so I have to actually watch a tutorial on how to do that, but then I'll be done with this sock and then I can block them. I'll show you guys me blocking them so that you can just see. I guess I haven't done it before, so we'll take that plunge together. But time to do this part. Finished my socks. Oh my gosh, okay, let me show you. This is the sock that I just finished. That's what it looks like. It looks just like this one. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I have a pair of knitted socks and I did it myself. Like, hello. Let me just put them side by side. I just want to cry with happiness because I have been working on this for a whole month, on and off, of course, but it's finally done and I can start my next pair. And I'm going to block them. I'm going to use these sock blockers that I got from Knit Picks. They are the medium sock blockers because I made the medium size socks. So I was like, this should be able to go on it. I hope it's not too big, but whatever, I don't care if it's too big. I can literally just put it in a dryer if I want to shrink them if they're too big. So I am going to get my portable sink, fill it up with some water and some wool wash, and let those things soak for an hour before I put them on the knit blockers. So let me take you along for that ride, okay? I'm using this wool wash. I showed you guys this before, but it is from Sorella, her Taylor Swift line, and it is called A Lover, and it's handmade by her. And this has, well, this just shows you what you should be putting in it.
And what are the ingredients? Oh yeah, the ingredients are right here: strawberry jam, peony, and vanilla beans. So it smells so freaking good. Okay, I got my portable sink. I put some of the wool wash in it and some water. It looks cloudy, but that's because the wool wash doesn't foam up. So that's just how it looks. I put my socks in there. Look at it. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to let this sit for about an hour because I like the wool wash to just like soak it up and make it smell as good as possible. And then I will come back and put them on some sock blockers and I'll show you guys that later. Okay, it has been 1 hour officially, so I'm going to check on the socks, squeeze them out. Actually, I need to get a towel for this. So I'm gonna get a towel, squeeze out all of the excess water, and then put them on some knit blockers so that they can dry. Where will I hang them up at? Ooh, I probably tack them into the wall or something, but we'll see, we'll see. Here they are. Oh my gosh. They feel so soft. Okay, let's dump this water. I'm gonna put on a towel here. Squeeze this one out. Now I'm gonna squeeze out all the excess water. I'm going to put this camera down so I can use 2 hands. Okay, here are the socks, very wet, but not too drenched. Toweling them out really helped. So now I'm going to put them on these knit blockers to dry. Both socks on the blockers. This is just going to help it keep its shape when drying. You don't have to use sock blockers when blocking your socks, but I just wanted to do it for the first time. Also, this sock is humongously bigger than the other one because I tried it on before blocking it. Don't do that. I stretched it out too much. I tried it on twice. Like, now it's baggy, but it's okay. For socks, okay? I don't care, I will still wear them. Like I said, I can shrink them if needed. I don't even know if it's too big for me, you know, because it wasn't when I tried it on. So maybe it's fine. But I'll have to see tomorrow if it dries that quickly. And so that's what we're gonna have to do. Wait until tomorrow or the next day for it to dry, and I'll try it on and show you guys the finished product. Hey! It is the next day and the socks have fully dried. It is literally like 12 and the socks are dried. They smell so freaking good. And I hung them up. Let me show you where I hung them up. I have this flash tapestry hanging up right here. So I hung it up, like there are holes on here. So I just hung the socks up here and I just let them dry right there overnight. Such a perfect spot, but they dried perfectly. So I'm gonna try them on right now and show you how they fit and tell you how I feel about them. Oh my gosh. These socks are perfect. Let me show you what they look like on my feet. Look at this. Perfect. Oh my gosh, wait. I'm gonna go outside and show you guys. Okay, look at these socks. Oh my gosh, let me just lift it up. If you hear beeping, Malika's in the background taking pictures, but like, look at the heel. And these, oh my gosh. I'm filming. Oh, and look at the toe, look at the decreases. Okay, now cat fur is getting on my sock, but OMG, I thought it would be big, but it feels so nice. It molded to my leg so perfectly. This one was the big one. You can't even tell. It is so perfect, so nice. I am going to link these patterns down below so that you guys can get them. Just look at these socks. Eee! I'm literally so in love with these. The patterns will be down below. You can use either one. I used both because I just wanted to make sure I knew how to change for the colors, since I used 3 different colors. But for my next sock, I'll just use like the vanilla sock one because it's just gonna be one color. But either way, this was literally the best experience ever. These are my favorite knit things. Like, this has cemented my obsession for socks, and my sisters are literally like, girl, I can't believe you do that. But I'm just like, I can't believe y'all don't. Hello? Socks are amazing. They're so good for beginner projects. At first I said they weren't, but once you know like all the terms and everything, I believe a beginner can definitely make some socks and be successful at it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already. If you have made socks before, let me know. If you want to make socks because of this video, let me know that as well. If you have made socks already, show me in my Discord by joining down below in the description box. If you want to have access to some free patterns, definitely join my membership on YouTube and you'll have access to a couple free patterns that my sisters and I have put out for you guys for members only. And yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye. Thanks, motorcycles.